Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called Sofia and the Secret Cave. One summer evening, Sofia followed the sound of the ocean. She found a small path between tall rocks. The path led her to a hidden cave by the shore. Inside, the cave sparkled with blue crystals. The air was cool, and drops of water made tiny music. In the center, Sofia saw a pool that glowed like the moon. She touched the water, and it rippled with silver light. The pool showed her gentle pictures of dolphins swimming. Then it showed her children building sand castles together. Sofia smiled, feeling calm and safe. She sat by the pool, listening to the soft sounds of the cave. As she closed her eyes, the cave began to glow brighter. The blue crystals shimmered like 1,000 tiny stars. The glowing pool rose gently, becoming a mirror of the night sky. Sofia stepped into the light and felt herself floating upward. She drifted across waves of silver, like sailing on a quiet sea. Friendly dolphins leapt beside her, sparkling with starlight. She passed through archways of crystal that sang softly as she moved. Ahead, she saw a secret world made of light, fields of glowing flowers, skies painted with soft rainbows, and rivers that shimmered like glass. Sofia felt safe, as if the cave was guarding her dream. When the stars rose outside, the dream slowly carried her home. That night, Sofia slept peacefully, knowing the secret cave would always be waiting in her dreams. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like our stories, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe.